In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in welcome pop-up and make sure that Infinite is on. Then leave it open, go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to this icon of a pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll down, look for Caffeine shortcut, hold it, drag it to your current shortcuts and let go. Then click at the top left corner and tap on your new shortcut to activate it. Then you can close Caffeine app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!